Christmas is behind us, and many of us are traveling to someplace warm, like Florida, or wishing we could be. Either way, the recipe for strawberry shortcake that I'll be sharing with you today has earned itself the title of the Sunshine State's official dessert. It has received this prestigious honor since Florida is known for producing the sweetest and juiciest strawberries around. One bite, and it's easy to see why Florida is named the winter strawberry capital of the nation. That means right now, through the end of March, these fields are brimming with strawberries, which will add a spark of sunshine to any day. So what makes them so special? First of all, they're planted and harvested by hand, which means each ruby red berry is given lots of TLC. And unlike many other fruits, these are vine ripened, so their flavor is second to none. So whether you're celebrating New Year's Eve with a white or red Florida strawberry floating in your champagne, or you're looking for a new way to start 2023 with a good-for-you treat, make sure you have plenty of these on hand. When it comes to creating the perfect strawberry shortcake, what I like to do is top each slice of angel food or sponge cake with some Florida strawberries that are lightly tossed in a touch of sugar, which creates a syrup. Then we spoon this on top of our cake, top it with fresh whipped cream and a sprig of mint. To get this recipe for what I call Sunshine State Strawberry Shortcake, all you need to do is go online. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today I'm glad I was able to share a recipe that includes Florida's prize-winning crop, strawberries, in a way that'll have everyone saying, "Ooh, it's so good."